Hi everyone, and thank you so much for all the support for my previous video. And I hope you are healthy and doing good. So, nowadays I'm trying multiple types of drawing to find my style, my drawing style. And today's video is also one of them where I have tried female figure drawing. Hey everyone, welcome back to Prax Art Gallery. I am Prax and I do pencil drawing and charcoal drawing. So in today's video, I have tried a different type of drawing. I don't know exactly the name of it, but it's more like an expressive figure drawing. So this beautiful reference photo I have got from Pinterest, and the person name is the Moskolova. I hope I'm pronouncing it correctly, but I'll put that in the description. So in case if you want to check out, you can definitely check out. Since this drawing is more of exploring my art style or drawing style, and as I am still figuring out that what it is called, how it is drawn and all, so that's why I have not done a lot of voiceover in this. So I hope you will enjoy this process, and in case if you know what this type of drawing or art is called, do let me know in the comment box. I tried searching over the internet, but I couldn't find very concrete answer, so that's why I'm not putting any detail over here. I hope you will enjoy the process, and do let me know how did you find it in the comment box. So before jumping into the video, if you like my content and you have not subscribed to my channel, or if you are new to my channel and like my content, you can subscribe to my channel. This will give me a lot of motivation. So now let's straight go into the video.